Hello everyone, welcome to IIM. I'm Yogesh and I have the update around JIPMAT that you all were waiting for. It's finally out and official. It is on the official Instagram page of IIM Jammu, okay. This is the JIPMAT 2026 notification in which they have given all important dates, exam dates, application dates, okay. I'm going to read this out, okay. This is a screenshot from official Instagram page of IIM Jammu. So, as you can see here, this is a quick update, okay. I won't be keeping the video very long. Submission of online application form. So, they are starting from 16th of April, okay, to 10th May up till 11:50 p.m. Okay, so 10th May is the last date. Okay, last date for successful transaction of examination fees. Suppose you are able to register, but you have not paid the fees. So then you have one more day, 11th of May up to 11:50 p.m. Okay. Third is correction in particulars. Please do not make any mistake. Okay, this is a form by NTA. NTA is actually, I would say that it is infamous for its glitches. Okay, that it has. So you'll be facing a lot of difficulties in filling the form maybe. So fill the form very properly. Okay, do not put any incorrect data into it. You might not be able to log in to correct your details. Okay, so that's one aspect of JIPMAT NTA that you have to keep in mind. Okay, don't commit any mistakes in filling the form. Good thing is exam has been shifted to June, so you'll be having you will be having plenty of time after Indore as well. You'll be having plenty of time to decide whether to give JIPMAT or not. Okay, in fact you can prepare as well. JIPMAT is a very easy exam compared to IIM Indore, but then I think that a lot of people will be writing this exam this year because earlier it used to happen in the month of April or initial weeks of May, but this year the exam date is very late, 7th of June. So competition is going to be high. Okay. Coming to timing of the exam, it is 3 p.m. to 5:30 in the evening slot. Okay, date of exam 7th of June. Okay, mode of exam is again computer based online exam. Paper pattern, it will have MCQs, so it is going to be the same as last year. Okay, these are some short details posted by Jammu today only. Okay, this is the official website exams.nta.nic.in/JIPMAT. Okay, so you have to go to this website. I just went to it, but there was no update, okay, regarding applications and all. Probably by evening you can start applying. Okay, if you have any doubts around JIPMAT, whether what percentage to put in there, usually JIPMAT considers the percentage of all the subjects. Okay, so when you put percentages of class 10, 12, you have to put percentages of all the subjects. Okay, applying to JIPMAT basically means applying to Jammu and Bodh Gaya, both the colleges by default. So usually there is no separate application like what happens in IPMAT Indore. You apply for IPMAT Indore, but you separately have to apply for Ranchi as well by going to its website, right? Here in JIPMAT, that is not the case. You usually just apply for JIPMAT, and that simply means you have by default applied to both the colleges, Jammu and Bodh Gaya. Okay. Coming to the exam pattern of JIPMAT, it has around 100 questions, okay, total 100 questions, around 33 questions in all three sections, quant, verbal, logical. The exam level is exactly same as that of Rohtak, okay, IPMAT Rohtak, so not very difficult exam. You have to study logical reasoning here as well, okay. Coming to quantitative ability, there are a lot of higher maths topics which are not in JIPMAT, okay. So JIPMAT basically focuses upon mathematics till class 10. So whenever you are studying quantitative ability for JIPMAT, you have to focus upon maths till class 10. Do look at the previous year papers of JIPMAT, okay, it's very important. So all the papers, past papers of JIPMAT are already out, 2025, 24, 23, 22, 21, okay. I have them in a drive. I'll attach the PYQs link in the drive, okay, or else if you want to give them as a mock, they are available on the iQuanta website. So I'll put that link as well, okay. I'll write down PYQ PDFs of JIPMAT and then attempt JIPMAT PYQs as a mock. So both the links will be there in the description. Also, we have a crash course which is going on these days, okay. It's a very rigorous crash course. I think if you guys want to prepare for JIPMAT seriously, you can join it, okay. It is properly aligned with JIPMAT as well, and the exam is on 7th of June. We'll be taking classes entire May, okay, and probably the initial few weeks of June. We have a mock test series of 20 mocks for JIPMAT as well, okay, and past year papers as well, okay. So that's all about the update of JIPMAT. Good to know that the form is finally out, okay. Many of you are thinking, will the form even be out this year or not? It is now. Okay, thank you so much for all the updates on JIPMAT. Follow iQuanta and do follow our playlist. Okay, so we have a lot of playlists around logical reasoning, verbal ability, quantitative ability on our playlist section. Go there and you can start learning from there as well. If you want to join the crash course, there are numbers and the joining link provided in the description. Thank you so much.